Hello YouTubers, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jordan Blaikie, the Liver Flush Man, showing you a scientific experiment on apple cider vinegar and how apple cider vinegar, what kind of effects it has on liver and gallstones while completely submerged in apple cider vinegar. This has now been sitting for around 5 days. Alright, I'll tell you what happened here. By the first day, it was already, the stones were already dissolved this much. I'll describe what these dissolved stones look like in there. First, they dissolve into little smaller particles. There was originally 3 larger, well, medium-sized stones in there, and now the dissolving little globules of bile, cholesterol, the stones made up from the stones, they're very oily and soft now. They're just like a flat surface along the top. Now what I would say, I had some comments of people with previous doing apple cider vinegar testing on liver and gallstones, and they wanted to know what it looked like 5 days later. So I specifically been letting this sit for around 5 days. And yeah, basically it's the same amount of dissolvation of the stones, nothing changed. After 1 day it looked just like this. 5 days later it's the same. Alright, in 1 day it maximum dissolves them. Now there's no way of actually knowing how much drinking apple cider vinegar would dissolve the liver and gallstones in the liver and gallbladder, because that, as far as I know, cannot be tested. Maybe through ultrasound, but you know, it's very hard to know exactly how much it would happen in the body. But we do know that it does have an effect on the liver and gallstones while submerged directly in apple cider vinegar. So chances are that apple cider vinegar will help dissolve and soften stones a little bit in the liver and gallbladder. They also would depend on the volume you drink. If you dilute it, it'll have less of an effect, but if you dilute it, you can drink more of it all day, larger glasses. So shots of apple cider vinegar, 1 or 2 ounce shots, are quite nice. Apple cider vinegar is very good for the body in general anyways, so it's not going to hurt you to take shots of apple cider vinegar or dilute it in water and take larger amounts during the day. But there it is right there. That's the effects that it had on 3 medium-sized stones. And like I say, those floating around globules are really flat, floating along the surface, so they're actually not thick. They're like very oily and soft. Alright, so there you go. That is the scientific experiment on liver and gallstones submerged directly in apple cider vinegar, and that's what happens. This is after 5 days, but like I said, after 1 day it's basically exactly the same as this. Alright, thanks for watching. That's some more liver and gallstone research for people out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.